This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, chrome wheels, cruise control, a CD player, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.